In this video, we'll add a flasher to the system that we already presented before. So basically, what we have, it's a beam sensor that will send a signal through a transmitter via Wi-Fi. It will communicate with other smart switches. In this case, the factory one, for example, it will turn on and off using the switch. The other, this is a modified, same as this one, modified smart plug as well. You can turn on and off. This is normally a push button like this, and on this one is being controlled in two ways. One locally, this is a normal Decora switch that we have in our houses, or via the smart plug, the signal being sent, it will then turn on the smart and flash the light. So basically on this one, as you can see, we need to modify the relay. This is a simple relay that came, the factory one came with a single post, single throw. It's basically an open contact that will pass, when triggered, it will pass the 120, the line voltage, through the output to the lamp. So what we do, it's let's take an example of how it works. This is, for example, let's say the kitchen will turn on for X amount of time. After an X amount of program time, the call rules, it will then turn on the hallway, turn off in programs to do that, turn off the kitchen, then the hallway, and after X amount of time, it will turn on the flasher. So the flasher will stay at X amount of time as well, and then will turn off. So how we do that modification? So basically, as mentioned, we need to change the replace the relay and install dual pulse, dual throw relay. Dual pulse means that you have two separate circuits to be controlled through an open, normally closed and normally open contact, and this is a common, but you have two circuits, separate circuit. The first circuit that is being used is actually for the voltage. So the line voltage come in through one part and goes out through the normally closed. The normally closed goes to the switch, which can control on and off locally. The other, the smart, when the signal is being sent, it will then close or passes the voltage through a circuit that is a flasher. The flasher is being made actually by a triadiac. This is a power control that will pass only half the cycle. So that's why you can see the lamp on, off, on, off, on, off for X amount of programming time being done of the programming rules. So basically that's how we accomplish the flasher. The other circuit is actually for the neutral. The neutral for this one is the same neutral as in the lamp, in the system, and the other is for the circuit of the triadiac. So you need to separate both. So that's how it's being controlled through. This is like the main heart of the system. It's actually being done mechanically by using the relay. If you have any question, please let me know. Thanks.